Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing Lizzie. Now, when Lizzie first rolled into Radiator Springs in 1927, it was love at first sight. Love for the town and love for Stanley, the town founder. But she kept Stanley on the soft shoulder for months, till one day she realised that Stanley's vision for a new oasis in the desert had enraptured her too. From that day on, the two became inseparable, heart and soul of the town. Now, which is that was sweet, I think. Too bad Stanley died. Now, as you can probably tell, Lizzie is a Ford Model T, nicknamed the Tin Lizzie. What a coincidence! Though, pretty sure that was on purpose. Yeah, which is a nice detail by Pixar. One of the reasons why I love Pixar so much. They always hide these little Easter eggs in there, Yeah. But why don't we have a little look at her design? So obviously she has a Ford Model T and very narrow tyres, like very narrow, which was the thing for all cars back then. And she's got a nice smile, happy but slightly crazy expression, because she's a pretty crazy woman. And she's got black tyres. Black rims, of course, with a grey outline, or trim, I should say. And she's got yellow windows, cream-coloured windows. I don't know, I don't really care. She's very boxy, of course. What does the number plate read? MT23. What does the small text say? What's the small text? I can't read. I put it up here to see. Yeah, I can't read it. That's just Thailand for you. And she looks like she got a, it's not exactly the same, is it? It's more of a chrome tyre. Oh, wait, is that a little hood ornament? Yeah, I think there's a little hood ornament. You probably can't see it that well. But there it is. That concludes it for today's video.